another thing. Come over here. No, actually somebody was asking what are these, figures. These are all Apsara figures. Remember Apsara figures which will come later. Yeah. So here you see a character here. This character.
Alice.
No, ये तो अलग सा करनी है. And this character. Kutilaka. So Kutilaka is very popular in Ellora. The Kutilaka comes from Karnataka. The first representation of Kutilakas you start getting in Badami caves, and then you have Kutilakas sculptures in Ellora, in Rashtrakuta monuments, which is number 17 is considered to be Rashtrakuta monument, and even in cave number 14 also you get it. So Kutilakas is a very popular iconography of Deccan, or in the sense Western India, and here he comes. And when you look at this figures, they also have some kind of closeness to the figures in Ellora and other places. So definitely this looks like a Rashtrakuta thing.